Good day everyone. Today we're going to tackle about the vector space. But first, what is vector space? A vector space is a set of objects called vectors where you can add two vectors together and multiply a vector by a number or ginatawag na to nga scalar and still stay inside the same set. Vectors can be coordinates, numbers, 3D points, functions, matrices, lists, or data sets. Ang ginakuha na sa vectors kay bisan magbaguman ang mga numbers, kung nai-add or multiply, maura Japon ang form na magawas. Tagahanta mo og examples. So let's take an example of vector space of 2D x y. So lagi na na form which is u plus v and k times u plus v. Then next na to, ato na siya on. So u is 1 and 2, then v na to is 3 and 4. Next is ato ni siya gamiton ning first part. So u plus v. So 1 plus 3 equals 1 plus 3, then 2 plus 4. Wala. Next, u plus v equals to 4 and 6. Next is i-try na to ni siya. As for my k din ni siya nga 2. So k na to k times u v. So k is 2, then times to u and v, which is kani si u. Nalagyan nga itong x and y. So u ni siya, das kani si v. So 2 times 4 6. Done. Next, ito na siyang himuon og kanang ani. Okay, so 2 times 4 equals to 8. Then 6 times 2 is equals to 12. So let's take an example of vector space of 2D x y. So lagi na na form which is u plus v and k times u plus v. Then next na to, ato na siya on. So u is 1 and 2, then v na to is 3 and 4. Next is ato ni siya gamiton ning first part. So u plus v. So 1 plus 3 equals 1 plus 3, then 2 plus 4. Wala. Next, u plus v equals to 4 and 6. Next is i-try na to ni siya. As for my k din ni siya nga 2. So k na to k times u v. So k is 2, then times to u and v, which is kani si u. Binigyan itong x and y. So, yun siya. Tapos ganyan si v. So, 2 times 4, 6. Done. Next, ito na siyang himuon o kanang ani. Okay, so 2 times 4 equals to 8. Then 6 times 2 is equals to 12. A basis of a vector space is a set of vectors that are both linearly independent and span the entire space. They act as the fundamental building blocks or coordinate axes, allowing any vector in that space to be expressed as a unique linear combination of the basis vectors. Examples: standard basis in R squared. The vectors E sub 1 is equal to 1, 0, and E sub 2 is equal to 0, 1 are a standard basis for a 2D plane. Alternative basis in R squared. The vectors 1, 1 and negative 1, 1 also form a basis for R squared because they are linearly independent and can span the 2D plane. Standard basis in R cube. The vectors 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 form a basis for 3D space.
So, good day everyone. So today, ang i-discuss ang example sa basis of a vector space. So, right na example is R squared. So, kaya ang kuha ang basis. So, right problem is since B so, we think that if the problem is linear independent siya. So, since sa formula sa linear independent is kaning C sub 1 then B sub 1 plus C sub 2 and B sub 2 is equal to 0. So, mali ang form sa katong linear independent. Then, if ang C1, C sub 1 is equal to 0, then C sub 2 is equal to 0. So, mag-create ang equation which is kanin sa given problem ngayon na. So, this is ang C sub 1, i-address natin sa vector 1 kanin first. Kanin 1, 2, then plus C sub 2, 3, 5. So, and equals, then equals to 0. Next kay what lang ang equation? Kuha lang ang equation sa C sub 1 and C sub 2. First is sa equation number 1, which is C sub 1 plus 3C sub 2 is equals to 0. Then, ang equation 2, which is 2C sub 1 plus 5C sub 2 is equals to 0. Then, ang equation 1, substitute natin sa equation 2, which is kanin. C sub 1 plus Right? So, ipakita natin itong vector, which is kanin B sub 1 at B sub 2. Then, so mag-create na punta na ng equation. That is C sub 1 plus C sub 2 times 3 5 is equal to B sub 1 B sub 2. So, paggamit na total system of equation para makuha na ito ang iyang value. C sub 1 C sub 1 plus 3 C sub 3 sub 2 equal to sub 1. And sa ikaduha na po, ang 2C sub 1 plus 5 5C sub 2 equal to B sub 2. So, create nato using the data matrix. So, mag-create ang data matrix. So, atong wala lang kay calculate nato using the determinant wala tong determinant niya. So, wala tong determinant. So, ito nato 5 1 times 5 minus 3 times 4. So, type natin siya 5. Then, ang isa ay type lang to, which is, ang result niya kay negative 6. So, subtract nato. So, ang result niya is negative 1. Since, nakuha ang number sa side sa 6, ang number is negative. So, since ang result sa pagkuha nato sa determinant kay negative 1, so, masabot na ang atong given kay dili siya than 0. So, masabot ani, dili siya than 0. So, asa ka mag-plot number from the original number. So, mo tayo mag-answer. So, since ang atong given kay 1 at 2 and 3 and 5, so ang atong given is 1, 3, and 5. So, muna ang result sa atong first example.
So let's proceed to dimension of vector space. We have, if V is spanned by a finite set, then V is called finite dimensional. The dimension of V, which we write as dim V, is the number of vectors in the basis for V. So we have here example. The standard basis for R3 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3. We have a 3 number of vectors in the basis. So therefore, the dimension of R3 is 3. The zero vector space is defined as dim 0 equals 0. So we have here an example. So we have here H is equals to A plus 2B minus 3D, 5A plus 10C minus 5D, and B minus C minus D. And first, we're going to separate each variable into a vectors. So we have A is equals to 1, 5, 0, or vector 1, and B is equals to 2, 0, 1, and C is equals to 0, 10, and negative 1, and our D is negative 3, negative 5, and negative 1. So, as we can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 vectors. So, next na itong buhaton is, buhaton natin ng vectors into matrix. So, mga siya, we have here our matrix 3 by 4. First, we're going to manipulate the row 2. So, we have negative 5 R1 plus R2 equals R2. We have negative 5 times 1 equals 5, and negative 5 plus 5 equals 0. Negative 5 times 2 equals negative 10 plus 0 equals negative 10. Negative 5 times 0 equals 0 plus 10 is 10. Negative 5 times negative 3 equals positive 15 minus 5 equals 10. So, ang atong row 2 kami mo siyang 0, negative 10, 10 of 10. Next is, we're going to manipulate ang row 2 gyapon. We're going to multiply it into 1 over 10, R2 equals R2. So, negative 1 over 10 times 0 equals 0. Negative 1 over 10 times negative 10 equals 1. Negative 1 over 10 times 10 equals negative 1, and negative 1 over 10 times 10 equals negative 1. So, sa third matrix na to, atong row 2 kay maging 0, 1, negative 1, and negative 1. So, next na to ay manipulate kay ang row 3. So, we're going to multiply it into negative R2 plus RT equals R3. So, maging negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. And maging positive 1 minus 1 equals 0. And same, maging positive 1 minus 1 equals 0. So, atong row 3 is making 0, 0, 0, 0. Next is, we're going to manipulate the row 1. I'm going to multiply negative 2 R2 plus R1 equals R1. So, negative 2 times 0 equals 0 plus 1 equals 1. So, negative 2 times 1 equals negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. Negative 2 times negative 1 equals positive 2 plus 0 equals 2. So, negative 2 times negative 1 equals positive 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. So, atong row 1 is maging 1, 0, 2, and negative 1. So, since wala naman tayo manipulate, so muna din ito ang final matrix, which is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, negative 1, and 0, and negative 1, negative 1, and 0. So, we're going to identify the vectors. So, we have here, vector 1 is 1, 0, 0, and vector 2 is 0, 1, 0, and they are not linear combination of others. Pero karing vector 3 of vector 4 kay we can consider this a vector since they are a redundant vector. They are a linear combination of others. So, sa atong answer, we have our two bases. So, the answer is H is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, or pwede na to siya ibutang na mag-base ta sa first vectors na gibuhat na to ang 1, 5, 0, or 2, 0, 1. So, that's our basis, and our dimension is, therefore, our dimension is 2. That's it.
So, standard bases. Standard bases allow one variable to be 1, all else 0. So, like for example, V is a set of real numbers 3. So, X, X1, X2, and X3. So, kaning mga X is naga-represent siya of any real number. So, kaon na to ang standard basis ni example number 1. So, X1 is equal to 1, 0, 0. Ganun 1, 0, 0 man siya. Kaya mo mani ang definition ni standard basis. Allow one variable to be 1. So, si X1, taga na itong variable nga 1, and all else, and everything else here is naging 0. So, sunod, si X, second vector, 0, 1, 0. So, si X2 here sa center is may variable yung 1, and everything else is naging 0. So, si third vector is 0, 0, 1. So, muna ni siya ang standard basis ni example number 1. So, kani siya is I hat, this one is J hat, and this one is k hat. So, unsa ni siyang I hat, J hat, K hat. So, mura ni siya, kumbaga, i-connect na to siya sa Cartesian. So, kini, si I, si J, o si K is, kung sa Cartesian pa, mo ni siya si X, si Y, o si Z. If 2D space lang siya, dili na to need si K. Si I hat lang, o si J hat. If 3D space naman, so, saka pa na to i-include si K hat. So, dimension, ang dimension, set of real number is 3. So, kini siya tatlo. 1, 2, 3. So, muna siya ang dimension, So, next example, para mas masabta na to. First example na siya, ha? Second example. So, V, set 2 by 2 matrices. So, So, unsa ang atwang 2 by 2 matrices? Is, mo na siya, diba? A11, A12, A21, and A22. So, paano kuhaon ang bases ani? So, B, allow one variable to be 1, all else 0. So, tagaan sa natog value si A11. So, allow one variable to be 1. Kani, 1. 0, all else, or everything else is maging 0. Next is si A12. Third, si A21. And last, si A22. So, muna siya ang standard basis. Muna siya ang standard basis sa set of vector space na to. Muna siya sa matrices 2 by 2. So, ang dimension ani is dimension of matrices 2 by 2 is 4. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, maalam to sa standard basis.